Okay, so I'm not so sure if you guys can see this, but wait, this is my first attempt on the water marble. I've been watching it for a very long time. Yeah, so I have some room temperature filled with glitter in a little jug. This is cream color. This is a cute color called Pearl Jungle. This is neon orange from cream color. This from neon color is very rare. This is called Love Affair. Hold on. So yeah, I'm not doing it on my nails, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't want to ruin my nails. So yeah, so I'm just start now. So you always want to have. Oh yeah, I'm using a pencil to swirl. You also want to hold your nail brushes open because when you're doing water marbling, you really want to go kind of like fast because like you barely have any time because your nail brush dries. So I'm gonna start off with the Pearl Jungle. One drip, drip, drip. Okay, this is a lot of videos. Very nice. Okay, so sometimes when there's a drip, you just touch it with the water. So grab that. Just drop a little. And then sometimes, hold on. So I'm using like this like something going. Sorry about that. Just time's out. I'm just gonna do a little touch like that. Just get a little bit of oops. There. Let's stop because my color dried. So I have a couple more. Yep. Okay. Um. Oh. I put my affirmations. Just put one. Just gonna try one. Alright, so sometimes you're not I'm just gonna get like a shake. A little shake. Yeah. It might just go like that, if you would see. No, you cannot, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, it just made it bang off. And now what I did done. It helps if you like don't rush it. So you just like touch. Alright, not dropping. Yeah. Dropping is pretty good. So just yeah.